Oh, did you spit up? Yummy. Save that for later. Uh-oh.
Logan.
Be nice, buddy. Elena. What are these things?
It's a t-shirt. So on this part or this part where That's a good one.
Right down in her face.
She's like, where'd you go? I'm gonna get
Well, where are
you.
you throwing that?
The way she holds it, I'm like,
I know.
she's following you, Logan.
Loki raised the
You're
baby.
gonna sleep good tonight, baby girl. Keep it up, Logan.
Yeah, really.
Glad we can help you out.
She's been sleeping through the night for us for about 2 weeks.
That's good.
Took, I think, 4 nights maybe.
Loki, where's Paige? Where's Paige?
And now she's like, forget it, I'm tired. Oh, bonk. Paige, Mommy has to pay for some stuff on Etsy for your birthday party, even though it's not till October. I already have like a... Yeah, it's people that hand make all this stuff. It's artsy craftsy stuff, and it's so cool. So I got some stuff for her birthday party.